Hi.
Oh, wow! Greetings! Woo! Wow! Hello! Wow! Greetings! Welcome! Thank you so much for including me. It's an honor to be here. I'm a native Washingtonian, and I'm as proud of this city as I've ever been. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, skeptics, non-theists, and especially the believers who may be here. As we stand before this shrine to one of history's most thoughtful critical thinkers, Abraham Lincoln, I cannot help but feel that we are at a critical time, a turning point in the history of my beloved United States and the history of humankind. Our ability to reason has helped us provide clean water, reliable electricity, and access to an electronic information infrastructure to a large fraction of the people who live in the developed world. Critical thinking, reason, and science got us here. And these traditions will help us bring these technical advantages to everyone on Earth, and dare I say it, change the world. With these noble goals in mind today, citizens around the globe are dealing with enormous costs and extraordinary hardships associated with rapidly rising waters and weather events of the extreme kind. We have floods in Texas, terrifying windstorms in the central United States, flooding in southern Germany and France, the River Seine in Paris, the very city that hosted the most recent conference of the Party's Climate Summit. There were 193 parties in attendance, all hoping to work together to resolve this global scale problem of atmospheric and oceanic warming, climate change, that has been heretofore largely ignored by most of us in the United States. Through our enterprises, we have loaded the Earth's atmosphere with carbon dioxide, methane, and other greenhouse gases that are warming our world 10 to the 6th, 1 million times faster than it has ever warmed in its 4.5 billion year history. Humankind has brought this on. Humankind must address it. But today, our efforts have barely begun. As an engineer and citizen of the United States, I cannot help but wonder why this is. Why is this country, which for over a century was the world leader in science, engineering, and innovation, not the world's leader in the renewable energy technologies and especially the carbon curtailing policies that we must create and put in place as soon as we can? Right on, and thank you. Apparently, a handful of climate change deniers has managed to hoodwink us, to lead us to believe that there is some doubt among the overwhelming majority of scientists about the seriousness and consequences of global climate change. Even as our rivers overflow their banks, without thinking much about it, we allow climate deniers to equate routine scientific uncertainty, plus or minus 2%, let's say, with doubt about all the observable global changes altogether. That would be the equivalent of plus or minus 100%. Now, when I express the situation this way, everybody agrees that 100